Is your profitability getting eroded by silo thinking and behavior, or blame game between different departments, or poor coordination and problems not getting resolved in your organization fast enough? Maybe decisions not getting made fast enough? Are those business issues or are those culture issues? Well, really, they're both. But you can't get at this if you separate working on the culture and the business. They're actually linked. Unfortunately, the way we've been working on them has kept them separate. We think of culture as the soft side. We send people to training programs. We focus on values. We focus on all these things that actually don't directly link to business results. So what's the missing piece? The missing piece is what we refer to as collective execution. Collective execution is the link between people or groups to produce business results. It's not just team building, which is the link between people so that everybody feels good. It's not building awareness on why we should operate as a team. It's actually developing key habits, collective habits, that people need to perform with each other in a coordinated manner to produce business results. And the amazing thing is, this is done with every sports team, music group, dance company. They practice and rehearse their collective habits of execution all the time. Yet, we don't even think about it in organizations. We come to meetings and share information, set up action plans, look at our metrics, but when are we actually discussing the breakdowns in execution? When are we establishing not just solutions for those breakdowns, but actually new habits of behavior that everyone agrees to and we measure? Just like a baseball team measures how fast they turn a double play, a music group measures how tight they are to play in a recording studio. We have to operate like professionals and start measuring the execution that always precedes business results. And the one discovery we made was that when you improve execution and everyone knows the game they're playing and how to win in that game, morale goes up. We're no longer surprised by being left out of decisions. We're no longer missing information because some department is holding it close to the vest. We're literally transparent, working together in an established way to produce optimal results based on having habits of execution that are measured and tracked over time. And it takes a little time to set up this kind of system. The system is an ongoing effort, not just an event, not just a one-time, let's make everybody happy and hope it works. This is a system that gets measured and it tracks three primary things. Your deliverables, which I know you're already tracking, but your collective execution, secondly, and finally your relationships. But here's the difference. All those measurements are correlated. They're not just isolated measurements. They're correlated measurements so that you know when you're not getting results, which piece is off track and how do you adjust it to get on track. This is a system that we develop for your organization at different levels so that you can not only achieve breakthrough results and achieve a new transformed culture, but measure it and understand how it's evolving over time to continue getting better and better business results. Check out our cases on our bstate.com website so that you can get a feel for how other organizations have set up this culture and the kind of results they've achieved in very rapid time. Again, months, not years.